Orange and pineapple fat burning drink. Here's what actually helps belly fat. We will need orange, cut the orange in half. Now take out the orange juice. We will need a quarter slice of pineapple. Peel off it. Cut the pineapple into slices. We will need ginger. Cut the ginger inch. Peel off it. Cut the ginger into slices. Take the slices in a blender. Add orange juice. Add 2 cups of water. Use blending machine to blend it well. Keep this drink in a glass bottle. Now take it in a cup. Add 1 spoon of honey. Mix it well. Drink 1 cup every morning for a month, then you will get results. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 10 days. And you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.